Okay, here is the Stair unit, and currently this is in shipping mode. As you can see, we're about to load it and get it shipped out. So we're going to explain how to assemble this unit, and then once it's assembled, we're going to give you all a brief explanation as how to operate it. So let's start with assemble. What's the first step when they get it there?
Holding the A-frame up, you cut the zip ties.
Okay, the A-frame is this large white piece.
Hold it up with by someone or with the forklift just to relieve the pressure off the yellow bracket.
The yellow bar, okay.
It's
like a U-bar.
Yeah. So while they're holding it up, the A-frame, they would remove the bolts holding the bracket or the bar, yellow bar. After that, you can completely remove the yellow piece and bring down the A-frame.
Okay.
You can put your forks on this.
And just position them there. Don't lift it yet.
Well, just to relieve the pressure off the bolt.
Yes.
Towards the middle. So you do pick it up a little bit to relieve the pressure.
Maybe like 50 pounds or 20 pounds.
Yeah.
Barely, just to, so you can actually pop that sucker out.
You remove the bolt, start picking up until you can get the holes matched up from the cylinder to the frame.
Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, because ultimately that cylinder needs to be inserted on that white piece right there where the bolt is currently seated.
So this matches with this.
Got it.
You put the bolt through it.
Got it, okay.
Once you do that, you can go ahead and release the stairs, release the frame, because it'll be holding off on the cylinder.
Okay.
You tighten it down. Then you can pick up the A-frame again.
Yeah, we need to go up on the A-frame
and match it up to where the yellow bar.
I would say, hold on, you don't need to. You don't want to release anything up here.
Well, it'll be held by the cylinder.
But you still need to maintain your forks on this, and ultimately to lift it up high enough to where you can position this A-frame into this slot right there. So don't take your forks off at that point because you're still having to lift everything up. Okay, is that right?
Yeah.
Okay, so then now we have the A-frame matched up with right there on both sides.
So sit here.
Okay.
Put the bolt in. Tighten it down.
And at that point you can get rid of this yellow bar. This yellow bar is basically just going to sit off to the side in storage somewhere. Okay. So now
you can remove that yellow piece too.
You can honestly probably remove that one too, or tighten down the bottom bolt so that it doesn't flap around.
So once you have it assembled, you have your cable, which is for the lock.
That's the safety latch.
Yeah.
Okay. So
then,
no, don't remove it. No, we've already zip tied it.
It has two nuts right here, which sit on this plate. So one will be at the bottom and one will be on top.
Okay.
Tighten it down on themselves.
So it's nice and tight. Okay.
On this piece.
Yep.
See right here?
Yep.
It grabs onto this.
Got it. Okay.
So you just tighten it down.
Okay. And then again, those two nuts will shimmy kind of like this.
So the plate would sit in between, and then you just tighten it so they don't go anywhere. And then you have your bolt here that would attach it to.
Okay. And then at that point, then you could actuate that whole piece by pulling this, basically. Right now it's loose because obviously we don't have it connected. Okay.
So pull to release.
Okay.
And if at any point the cylinder is not matching or anything, you can either release the pressure to move it or lock it and pump it to start raising the cylinder.
Okay. Yeah, so that's basically your valve to close it up or to open it.
Yeah.
So let's say everything is now connected, right?
Yes.
And it's time to go up to an aircraft. All right, so you tow it up to the aircraft, you position your stabilizers, right?
Yeah, so
Yeah, it's just your standard trailer stabilizer. Yep.
Yeah, on the other side too.
And obviously follow company protocol because maybe your company wants you to elevate the stairs first before actually going up to the aircraft. That actually might be a better idea. But basically, with this valve closed, you would hand pump, go boom, 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 up and back and forth.
I can't even do it right now. It's
oh,
still
can you?
up, yeah, so just.
Oh, okay. Yeah, and you can see that cylinder extending. Yep. I don't want to go too far. Let me see. It has no weight on it, so it's probably Yeah, I don't know if you're gonna be able to push that in. Remember, it normally has a whole set of, has an entire stair that's weighing it down.
It's going very slowly.
Yeah, well, you're doing it by hand. Normally there's several hundred pounds sitting on it. So anyway, that's why I didn't want to move it out too far, but yeah, it looks like you got it in back. Okay, so I'm tightening it back up. Okay. Change your hydraulic filter every so often.
Hydraulic full point.
Okay, we're about to wash this to clean it up a bit. There's your lights, or your battery rather. Turn on the lights for night operation. There's a charger right there. Basically
Battery
inside
charge.
this box you have a battery and a charger. It's a marine battery. Some shocks, battery, charger. It's actually a timer right there. Charger. That's pretty much all there is to it. These slide forward. The rails, you can see they're on a track. And you just, no, it's okay. Yeah, we can see it. I mean, you just lift up this there's a spring-loaded handle right there. It allows you to slide it forward so it mates with the aircraft. If you got any questions, feel free to call us. There's our phone number. 713-649-6878.